Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today, February the 8th. So this to me is a flag. So we've pulled back on structure, as I was saying yesterday. Look at the oscillators, we've eased off, we've got diversions, so much going on here, and I'll draw the flag in on the lower time frame, but that is definitely a flag in my books. So there it is there. And we spoke about this yesterday, 5 touches on the flag, but you see the decent break, you see the pullback to test the breakout as well as the flag breakout, sorry, as well as the horizontal breakout here. So was a bit messy yesterday with politics, so that is very much in play. We also have a double bottom in play here, which is here with a little gap, so that would be my first area to pay attention to. If we drop down to the hour, you can see there's the political noise there. Sideways, 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 broken out. So that is my structure. I'm looking for a retest of 15,397 and looking for a move to the upside. Now, the interesting part for this, and I'm going to be conservative. We'll take it from pretty much from there. That was the first move up. And the reason I'm being conservative is this move here was a fairly decent pullback. That was a deep pullback as well. So, and it's the first one above the moving average. So, a bit of logic there. Come back to the 8th hour quickly just to see where that flag targets. And put the level in just a little bit below where it should be. So, again, just adding a little bit of fat to my targets. And now we can have a look to see there is quite a bit of potential resistance up here. You can see a lot going on at this area. So that's my target area at the moment. And if we just drop down to the hour, what we're looking for is a pullback on structure. I don't want to be jumping in with oscillators like that. This is looking like a bit of a flag as well, so it should be a pullback on structure. And that should allow us to buy in. So we should have actually bought in yesterday evening with a really tight stop. We're going to move the stop to entry at the moment, and we are targeting 15,700. So whatever happens here, you should find support here. Even if you have the stop below this range, which is 139 points, you'll be looking for 300-point gains. So it's a 2-to-1 trade. And the other thing to bear in mind is if you drop down to the 15-minute here, you can see we're a little bit tired, so you could also, just sort of drop down, find support in this area as well while this trend continues. So yeah, I'm a buyer, definitely a buyer. Just don't want to be jumping at the top. I'd rather wait for a pullback. And just looking at that structure, like last night, that was a half decent area to be long. Anyway, at the moment, we have gapped up above the actual market, so I would expect it to come back to close. Either this area, actually just move this down, or just a little bit below that, around 15,374. I'm looking for price to come back at this area, looking to buy, and to be quite honest, I'm looking for 15,700. So it's something that's well worth holding all day. Possibly even 2 days if it takes that long to get up there. So that's kind of my view for today. Long it is. This is a really good setup. When you look at this on the 8th hour, definitely a decent setup to be paying attention to. So you're just waiting for short time frame oscillators just to ease off, indicating that it's time to buy, and then you could be buying and targeting this area. One thing to bear in mind is the target area, which is correct, then these tails, then those tails, then the all-time high, and then it's a free fall. Okay, so trend is up until it's not, so I am trading to the upside. Anyway, that's kind of me for today. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.